Hey everyone, welcome back to Homespot. Have you ever looked at a pile of old branches and imagined them becoming beautiful garden art? In today's video, we are exploring stunning rustic ideas that are small, simple, and full of spring charm. These DIY decorations are easy to make and perfect for cozy garden spaces. These rustic twig plant markers add both function and charm to a spring garden without asking for much effort. Small branches become gentle guides for herbs, flowers, or vegetables while keeping their natural texture and earthy color. They feel handmade, practical, and warm, turning ordinary pots into something more personal and beautifully rustic. A small candle holder wrapped in old branch pieces creates a soft rustic glow that feels inviting and calm. It is a simple project with a strong decorative effect, especially in a spring garden filled with fresh leaves and early blooms. Natural bark textures bring warmth, making this piece feel cozy, handmade, and quietly elegant. A hanging heart made from flexible branches brings a soft, romantic touch to the garden while still feeling rustic and grounded. Its shape is familiar and comforting, yet the natural bark keeps it earthy and unpolished. In spring light, this simple handmade ornament feels gentle, meaningful, and perfect for adding warmth to a small outdoor space. Using short branch pieces as a pot riser is a clever way to add dimension and woodland charm to a spring garden display. It lifts a planter just enough to make the arrangement feel intentional and styled. Best of all, the untouched bark and simple construction keep the look natural, rustic, and wonderfully easy to create. A star made from equal branch pieces brings a cheerful rustic accent into the garden without looking polished or artificial. Its beauty comes from the natural wood tones, the visible bark, and the handmade ties holding everything together. In a small spring setting, this simple shape feels festive, welcoming, and full of quiet countryside charm. tiny nest woven from slender branches creates a sweet woodland detail that feels right at home in a spring garden. Resting among moss, petals, or small stones, it adds softness and story without taking up much space. The natural textures and gathered look give it a peaceful handmade quality that feels calm and beautifully rustic. This miniature frame edged with small branches turns an ordinary plant display into a rustic decorative moment. Around a succulent or tiny potted arrangement, the twigs add texture, warmth, and handmade charm without overwhelming the scene. Because the branches keep their natural color and bark, the whole piece feels earthy, balanced, and perfect for spring styling. A light branch wind chime adds movement, sound, and rustic texture to a small garden in the gentlest way. As the twigs sway and touch in the breeze, they create a quiet, natural rhythm that suits a peaceful spring day. It is an easy handmade project that feels airy, simple, and deeply connected to the outdoors. A tiny fence made from short branch pieces is a lovely way to frame a pot, herb patch, or fairy garden scene. It feels playful without losing its rustic character, thanks to the natural bark and simple tied construction. In a spring garden, this miniature detail adds structure, warmth, and a storybook charm that feels easy and inviting. A compact twig wreath brings a timeless rustic look to a gate, wall, or small garden corner. The circular form feels welcoming, while the natural branches keep the piece grounded and unpretentious. Surrounded by spring growth, this handmade decoration becomes a quiet focal point, offering texture, warmth, and a sense of simple seasonal beauty. small branch trellis is both decorative and useful, giving young climbing plants gentle support while adding rustic structure to a pot. Its tied branches create a natural shape that feels light, practical, and easy to make. In a spring garden, this piece blends function and charm beautifully, proving simple materials can still feel special. A dragonfly decoration assembled from branches introduces a playful note into the garden while staying true to rustic materials. Its charm comes from suggestion rather than detail, letting simple shapes create something recognizable and lighthearted. Tucked among spring plants, this handmade piece feels whimsical, gentle, and wonderfully suited to a small, peaceful outdoor space. Adding a curved branch handle to a small planter gives it the look of a tiny rustic basket without much effort. The result feels charming, useful, and naturally decorative, especially when filled with herbs or spring flowers. Because the branches remain untouched in color and texture, the piece feels authentic, simple, and easy to imagine in any garden. A simple cross made from two tied branches carries a quiet rustic beauty that feels thoughtful and serene. When paired with a small bundle of dried flowers, it becomes a gentle decorative accent for a spring garden nook. The untouched bark and straightforward construction give it warmth, humility, and a peaceful handmade presence outdoors. Thank you for watching Homespot today. We explored how old branches can become bird perches, wreaths, stars, markers, trellises, and many other rustic accents that bring warmth to a small spring garden without complicated building. I hope these ideas inspired your next DIY project. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments which branch art idea you want to try first.